Everything is getting underway there. The fans are already hyped in Los Angeles and ready to go. As we see there, a lot of Team Liquid fans, but I kind of think that there will be a lot of CLG fans as well. They've got nicer weather than we have here, and they're totally hyped to do that. Those games will be getting underway at 9 p.m. Central European Time, noon Pacific. And before we send it over to the crew there in Los Angeles, let's take a look back at today's highlights.
And these two teams are getting close to the semi-final, but someone is dropping out, someone is advancing.
Unlimited going really, really low in this one. The Rocket's coming in. That's first blood. I got Nami. Oh, nice. Perfect. Can Airwalks get out of this one? All that help, not enough, but they managed to get the shockwave. The ball connects as Soren makes a massive play for his team. Yarnin, a double kill for the Jinx as well. And they've caught Youngbuck. This is going to be the clean sweep. The ace is coming in. That's a triple for the Jinx, and they're heading for inhibitors. Game number 1 in this playoff quarterfinal goes to H2k.
We went into this best of 5 knowing very well that we were probably going to lose the first one with the purpose of scouting them. Now it's our turn.
The flash and the dash, but it gets blocked. Soren is there. He's got a flash charm. This is going to be first blood. There's no tower to fall back to. Freeze, Unlimited coming in as they take down Yarnin. They rip through Lulex. Not over yet. No, it's not, because Freeze goes down as Ryu comes around the side. Youngbuck taking tower aggro as he gets polymorphed and taken down, but that'll only keep the pony excited away. And Kasing falls as soon as the lands. They catch Yarnin. Unlimited still chasing around, but Freeze is going to get caught, and Lulex will get the kill to take him down.
Okay, I'm joining. I have a shield for one. Kill him. Push the way.
Because this game is all over. Number 2 to H2k.
Look at this big bad axe. I'm gonna chop it down a tree. And that tree is called Youngbuck.
Count to 10 in Greek. No, want me to try?
Yeah, sure.
Alpha, Beta, Charlie, Delta. Echo, Foxtrot.
Oh, it's Ottawamne. This could be some serious trouble for the Wolves. They're going to use their heal, but in comes Ottawamne. The twisted advance. Soren gets blown up, and Freeze still trying to kite his way back, but in comes Kasing, zones him out, and they take him down. He's going in to start this one. Assault and battery onto Yarnin, but he's able to get away from this. Lulex is going pretty low, but Airwalks himself, he's going down. That's a double kill going over to Yarnin. Youngbuck's now caught up as Lulex takes the kill credit for that one. A 3 for none. H2k 3-0 over the Copenhagen Wolves in our first quarterfinal.